Hello viewers, today I'm going to make white sauce. It is also called bechamel sauce. The things which I require are just 5 ingredients because I'm using just one cheese. You can use more types of cheese also. First of all, we need just 1 tablespoon of all-purpose white flour. Then also we need cheese. This is cheddar cheese. I'm using 2 cups of milk and 2 tablespoons of butter and just 1 small teaspoon of oil. So first of all, I have coated the pan with the oil. I have coated it well so that when I shall add the butter, it will not burn. You can also simply make it without butter, but it is nice to use butter because it gives a very good taste in the sauce. So I have already added the butter. At this stage you can add more ingredients like garlic, or you can add any herbs, but I'm not using anything. I'm just making a simple white sauce. This is 1 tablespoon of flour, all-purpose flour. And now I am going to roast it with the butter so that I'm going to use also this non-stick whisk. I shall move it around and I shall roast it until the smell of the flour will go away, and it will give you quite a neutral fragrance or aroma. So I'm going to cook it on low heat so that it doesn't burn. Keep moving it around so there are no lumps. I am now going to add milk slowly, not all together. It will make sure that there are no lumps made in the sauce. So move the whisk around for a while so that all the sides of the pan are clear. Keep adding the milk so that you can get your required consistency for the sauce. I'm going to use these 2 complete cups of milk in 1 tablespoon of white flour and 2 tablespoons of butter. You can reduce the amount of butter and oil according to your own taste. So as you can see that I am adding it slowly, and I'm also trying to make sure that there are no lumps in the pan. I am now going to add black pepper. This is freshly ground black pepper. You can also use any other spices if you like. Also I shall add a little bit of, like almost 1 teaspoon of salt, or according to your taste you can add if you like less or more. Now I shall move it around until it thickens. After 5 minutes you can see that it's almost thickened, and it's ready now for the cheese. I have not grated the cheese, but I have sliced it roughly, so I'm going to add that because anyway it's going to melt in it. You can use 2 or 3 types of cheese also, but I'm just using 1 type of cheese. It's cheddar cheese. So you just have to make sure that the cheese melts, and that's it. the white sauce is ready now to use in pasta. It is also being used in many other dishes all over the world, but mainly this is used in pasta. I hope you will like my effort to make this, to show you how to make this white sauce. And whenever you make it, please write in the comments below that how it turned out. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.